I've been hoping for sunshine, avoiding all the rain. Keep tabs on the weather, and it's driving me insane. There's got to be a reason for it though, and I just can't explain how whenever we're together, what it wants to do is rain. Birds singing in the front yard, sun's been shining all day. Weather's been just fine since you've been away. There's got to be a reason for it though, and I just can't explain how whenever we're together, what it wants to do is rain. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Hey, big creeks up, little creeks level, plow the corn with a double shovel. Hey, 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 hey. I said, how high's that water now, mama? 6 feet high and rising. Rain, rain. Some umbrellas, one for me, one for you. I got some rubber boots and a life preserver too. Mortgaged the house, went out and bought us a boat in a desperate attempt to try and keep this afloat. Yeah, whenever we're together, what it wants to do is rain. There's a high pressure system moving in from the south. I don't dare turn around, I don't dare open my mouth. It wasn't in no forecast, it came right out of the blue. That's just the way things happen between me and you. Yeah, whenever we're together, what it wants to do is rain. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Hey, big creeks up, little creeks level, plow the corn with a double shovel. Hey, 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 hey. I said, how high's that water now, mama? 6 feet high and rising. Rain, rain. Little creeks level, plow the corn with a double shovel. Hey, 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 hey.